Despite the end of Mexico's central bank tightening cycle, analysts predict that the Mexican peso will maintain its strength and potentially outperform other major global currencies in the coming weeks. Currently trading at 17.40 per dollar, its highest level in 7 years, experts believe the exchange rate could soon drop below 17 pesos per dollar, a level not seen since 2015. James Salazar, the deputy director of economic analysis at local firm C Banco, suggests that the currency's strengthening trend is likely to continue in the short term. He emphasizes that the attractive interest rate differential is still favorable for the peso. Driven primarily by the decline of the US dollar and increased capital inflows since the central bank began raising interest rates in June 2021, the Mexican peso has gained nearly 10% so far this year. While Mexico's central bank, known as Banxico, has paused rate hikes, it has indicated that the key rate may remain at the current all-time high of 11.25% for an extended period, well above the U.S. Federal Reserve's rate. Analysts attribute the peso's positive performance to factors such as consistent remittance inflows, robust export growth, and increased private investment due to nearshoring, the trend of relocating factories to neighboring countries with lower production costs. Speculators in the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a key market indicator, have been increasingly betting on further appreciation of the Mexican peso since mid-March. Last week, these positions reached 70,007 contracts in favor of the currency, a level not seen since March 2020. However, potential uncertainties in the U.S. economy, including recession risks, banking system stability, and the possibility of the federal government defaulting on its debt obligations, could cloud the medium-term outlook for the peso. Considering these factors, Mexican economists anticipate the peso weakening to 19.13 against the US dollar by the end of the year, as indicated by a survey conducted by the central bank. Citibanamex experts estimate the figure slightly higher at 19.20 in their poll. The Mexican peso continues to strengthen, benefiting from Banxico's strategy of aligning with the Fed's interest rate hikes. This approach has proven fruitful, positioning the peso as the top-performing EMFX currency in 2023. By maintaining a 600 to 650 basis point spread above Fed rates, Banxico has reduced US dollar to Mexican peso volatility and established the peso as the preferred carry trade currency globally. Banxico's upcoming meeting on May 18 may bring about one final rate hike, to 11.50%, before a potential pause or end to the tightening cycle. While remittances to Mexico remain high at $5 billion per month, the focus of this year lies in the nearshoring trend and the anticipated influx of foreign direct investment, FDI, into Mexico. There is mounting pressure for US dollar to Mexican peso to break below the 2017 low of 17.45, with the only obstacle being long positions on the Mexican peso. In 2023, Mexico's local currency has demonstrated a favorable performance, appreciating by 11% against the US dollar. As a result, it stands as the third strongest currency among emerging markets, earning it the nickname Super Peso by analysts, traders, and banks. Several factors have contributed to the peso's strength, including the interest rate differential between Mexico and the U.S., substantial remittance inflows, the momentum behind nearshoring initiatives, and solid international reserves. During his regular morning press conference, Mexican President Andrés Manuel López Obrador referenced data from investing.com to highlight the peso's appreciation against the dollar. At the start of the session, the dollar was valued at 17.31 pesos, reaching a high not seen since May 2016. President Obrador described this as a remarkable milestone, noting that the Mexican peso has experienced the greatest appreciation worldwide in the past 50 years. President Obrador attributed the peso's appreciation to economic growth, increased foreign investment, and the country's overall stability. He emphasized that Mexico welcomes foreign investors, offering them a secure environment for their investments with strong economic and political stability. Thanks for watching.